Hey everyone, and welcome to the installation video for our new 420 crypto system. Now the first thing you want to go ahead and do is open any BTC pair. In this case, we are opening the BTC USD pair. Now, what you want to go ahead and do after that is set the chart time to either an H4 or an H1 time frame. Now the H4 works best. The next thing you want to do is open File, go into Open Data folder. You want to go ahead and open the file that we sent you. You will see that there is an MQL4 folder and a templates folder. Now what you want to go ahead and do is copy and paste the MQL4 and templates folder into the data folder. Now after you're done, you can go ahead and close those windows. After closing those windows, you're going to go into the bottom left corner onto indicators and hit refresh. Now you won't need to go into the indicators to find the 420 crypto system. All you need to do is right click on the chart, go into templates and select 420 crypto system and just email us with your account number and order number to get your system activated.